Welcome to Q40, where forgotten mansions are transformed into breathtaking masterpieces. Watch abandoned homes come back to life through expert restoration and beautiful renovations. Subscribe and join us as we bring abandoned homes back to life, one project at a time. The bedroom had been forgotten for years. Thick layers of dust covered every surface, broken furniture filled the space, and cracked walls showed the damage caused by time and moisture. Rotten wooden flooring, shattered windows, and a partially collapsed ceiling made the room unsafe to enter. The restoration team started by removing every piece of debris, broken wood, and old plaster. Heavy-duty tools were used to strip the damaged walls back to solid masonry. Fresh cement mortar was carefully applied to level every wall before a smooth finishing coat created a clean surface ready for paint. The old floor was completely removed and replaced with polished marble tiles, giving the room a brighter and more elegant appearance. New electrical wiring was installed inside the walls. Before modern lighting fixtures were fitted, fresh paint transformed the once dark room into a warm and welcoming space. Finally, new doors, windows, and stylish furniture completed the restoration, turning an abandoned bedroom into a comfortable place to relax. Bathroom restoration. The bathroom was heavily damaged by moisture and neglect. Broken tiles, cracked walls, leaking pipes, and years of dirt had left the room in terrible condition. Mold covered the corners while the old fixtures were beyond repair. The workers first removed every damaged tile, broken pipe, and worn-out fixture before thoroughly cleaning the area. Waterproof cement was applied to strengthen the walls and floor, creating a solid base for the renovation. Beautiful marble walls and premium floor tiles were then carefully installed, giving the bathroom a clean and luxurious appearance. Modern plumbing replaced the outdated system, while a stylish shower, sink, toilet, and elegant lighting completed the transformation. Fresh paint, mirrors, and accessories added the final details, turning a neglected bathroom into a bright and relaxing space that looked completely brand new. Master bedroom. The master bedroom was in even worse condition. Years of neglect had left deep cracks across the walls, damaged ceilings, broken flooring, and piles of dirt covering every corner. Rainwater had entered through damaged windows, leaving stains and mold throughout the room. The crew carefully cleared away every piece of rubble before repairing the structure. Damaged sections of the walls were rebuilt using fresh cement and reinforced where necessary. After applying a smooth wall coating, the entire ceiling was repaired and prepared for modern recessed lighting. Large marble slabs replaced the worn-out floor, instantly giving the room a luxurious appearance. New windows allowed natural light to brighten the space, while fresh paint completely transformed the atmosphere. Elegant trim, modern furniture, and carefully selected decorations completed the project. What was once an abandoned room became a spacious master bedroom that perfectly matched the beauty of the restored mansion. Kitchen restoration. The kitchen had suffered years of decay. Broken cabinets, cracked countertops, rusted plumbing, and thick layers of grease and dust covered every surface. The floor was uneven, the walls were stained, and the room was no longer usable. The restoration began with a complete cleanup. Workers removed damaged cabinets, broken tiles, old plumbing, and every piece of construction waste. The walls were repaired using fresh cement before receiving a smooth finishing coat that prepared them for painting. The old flooring was replaced with polished marble, creating a clean and durable foundation. New plumbing and electrical systems were installed to support modern appliances. Stylish cabinets, premium countertops, and a beautiful backsplash transformed the kitchen into a functional and elegant space. Bright lighting and careful finishing touches completed the renovation, proving that even the most neglected kitchen can become the heart of a beautiful home. Living room restoration. The living room was once the centerpiece of the mansion, but years of abandonment had left it covered in dust, cracked walls, broken flooring, and damaged ceilings. Old furniture had deteriorated, and the room had completely lost its original beauty. The restoration team started by removing every piece of debris before repairing the damaged structure. Workers carefully applied fresh cement to the walls and restored the ceiling with smooth finishing plaster. Modern electrical wiring was installed before elegant lighting fixtures brought the room back to life. Premium marble flooring completely changed the appearance of the space, adding brightness and sophistication. Fresh paint, decorative wall panels, modern furniture, and large windows created an inviting atmosphere. The transformation was remarkable, turning a neglected living room into a luxurious gathering space worthy of a beautiful mansion. Pool restoration. The swimming pool area had been abandoned for years. The pool was filled with dirty water, fallen leaves, mud, and broken concrete. Cracks surrounded the pool, while weeds and overgrown plants had taken over the entire outdoor space. The restoration crew drained the contaminated water before removing every piece of debris and cleaning the entire pool. Damaged concrete was repaired with fresh cement, and waterproof coatings sealed every crack to prevent future leaks. Beautiful stone tiles were installed around the pool, while the interior received a fresh waterproof finish that restored its crystal-clear appearance. Modern lighting, comfortable seating, landscaped gardens, and carefully trimmed greenery completely transformed the outdoor area. By the end of the project, the neglected pool had become a luxurious retreat that perfectly completed the mansion's full restoration.